Learn every day for a better life. Making friends can be challenging, but here are some tips that might help. Be yourself. The most important thing when making friends is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, as this will only attract people who don't share your interests or values. Join groups or clubs. Joining groups or clubs related to your interests can be a great way to meet people with similar hobbies and passions. This can be anything from a sports team to a book club. Volunteer. Volunteering for a cause you care about can not only make you feel good about giving back, but it can also introduce you to like-minded people who share your values. Attend social events. Going to social events such as parties, gatherings, or events hosted by your community can give you the opportunity to meet new people. Be friendly and approachable. A smile and a friendly attitude can go a long way in making new friends. Try to be approachable and open to conversations with people you meet. Be a good listener. When you're talking to someone, try to listen actively and show genuine interest in what they're saying. This can help you build a connection and show that you're someone they can trust. Practice good communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively is important in building and maintaining friendships. Be clear and honest when communicating with others, and make an effort to understand their perspective. Show interest in others. People generally enjoy talking about themselves and their interests. Ask questions and show interest in what others have to say. This can help you build rapport and show that you value their friendship. Be reliable and dependable. Friendships are built on trust, and being reliable and dependable is key to building that trust. Follow through on your commitments and be there for your friends when they need you. This can help build strong, lasting friendships. Keeping a friend can be just as important as making one. Here are some tips on how to maintain a healthy and strong friendship. Communicate regularly. Regular communication is key in any friendship. Whether it's through phone calls, text messages, or meeting up in person, make an effort to stay in touch and keep the lines of communication open. Listen and support. Being a good listener and offering support when your friend needs it can help strengthen your friendship. Be there to offer a listening ear or a shoulder to lean on when your friend needs someone to talk to. Show appreciation. Let your friend know that you appreciate them and their friendship. Whether it's through small gestures such as sending a thoughtful text or a heartfelt thank you note, showing your gratitude can go a long way in keeping your friendship strong. Respect boundaries. It's important to respect your friends' boundaries and needs. Don't pressure them into doing something they're not comfortable with or overstep their boundaries. Respecting each other's boundaries can help build trust and respect in the friendship. Be forgiving. No friendship is perfect, and there may be times when disagreements or misunderstandings occur. Be willing to forgive and work through any issues that may arise. Remember that a strong friendship can withstand challenges and disagreements. By following these tips and continuing to invest in your friendship, you can build a lasting and fulfilling relationship with your friend. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Good luck. Subscribe to make your life better.